Number 4 is Epson EcoTank ET-4800 SuperTank Printer. If you're on the hunt for the ultimate sublimation printer under $300, get ready for a fantastic printer that makes printing an exhilarating experience. Introducing the Epson EcoTank ET-4800 wireless all-in-one cartridge-free SuperTank printer, the superstar of sublimation printing. With this printer, prepare to embark on a vibrant and creative journey. Say goodbye to the hassle of constantly changing cartridges and embrace the freedom of the SuperTank system. The EcoTank ET-4800 comes packed with a 1x bottle of 522 black and 1x bottle each of 522 cyan, magenta, and yellow, ensuring you have everything you need to dive into your colorful projects. Don't let limited wear fool you, this certified refurbished beauty is ready. It's equipped with all the original accessories, and the 90-day limited hardware warranty gives you peace of mind. From stunning photographs to personalized gifts, this all-in-one printer does it all. Not only does the EcoTank ET-4800 boast exceptional quality, but it also offers wireless connectivity, making printing a breeze from any corner of your creative space. Plus, the included manual and CD-ROM for product setup ensure you'll be up and running quickly. So if you are inquisitive about this sublimation printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now.